Forward for the last and final one this evening. I see 𝐓𝐀𝐃𝐍𝐄𝐃 live round VIP and chillax and relax and a whole of medi. I'm ready. Yeah. Some live and the artists them checking, ready and waiting. Big up yourself, nice harmonies each and every time. Mr. 𝐓𝐃𝐃𝐍𝐄𝐃 gonna be up in a short while. Gonna finish off with the final one this evening, all courtesy of our very own UK artist. Goes by the name of Djquincy, and you know him have a bad song in the streets which we are beat from how long now. Big up yourself, Djquincy. A track called Lightning, courtesy of Skinny Beach Records. It's the next one I want to item. Go out, support it, download it, do the right thing, stream it.
Hey, this is Triller You, and you're listening to Talk Up Wednesday, Street Charts. Ha ha!
Wednesdays, share the history, share the knowledge.
Up in the charts this week, brand new one from Djquincy's called Lightning.
Well, Lord have mercy.
Pick up on the Northwest 10 family. Halsden.
Energy.
Djquincy, how it so?
Lightning it a go strike them dead. Them now hold them beds. The fire getting better than red, so me have to put it on them. Lightning a go strike them dead. Them now hold them beds.
We got my Kenya crew, Nairobi crew, Shashamane crew, yo Machiavelli, Catch it Grizzly, Mama Bullet.
Just get the iron from Zion, make it
Enzo,
send no fun.
Talk
up Wednesdays, share the history, share the knowledge.
Hey, this is Triller You, and you're listening to Talk Up Wednesday, Street Charts. Ha ha!
Well, Lord have mercy.
You know, top of the hour for the next hour. We interview artists from around the world. Up next, 𝐓𝐃𝐃𝐍𝐿 in the wings.